It's Stu here at the beautiful Legacy Dodge dealership down here in Fort McMurray, Alberta, and I just couldn't help but make this quick video. I came out and I couldn't believe my eyes. A beautiful Legacy custom truck, custom built for one of our fabulous customers here at the dealership. This is a beautiful 2019 Ram Sport in the new body style. You've got to see it. Let's have a look. We've got the blacked out front end, bumper, Grille, Hoodscoop. The new look is phenomenal. It's got a 3.5-inch lift, Goodyear Wrangler tires. Even got the kickback mud flaps to accompany them. We've got our power steps, beautiful interior, fully loaded leather with a 12-inch screen. What an unbelievable truck this is. On the market today, this is the biggest crew cab, dimension-wise. Don't forget the dual pane sunroof. Come around to the back. This is a Mopar brand quad-fold tonneau cover we've installed right here at Legacy Dodge. We've got the beautiful big Ram badging, dual black exhaust tips, tow package, new bumper and tailgate, taillight style, all set up for you. Best-selling trucks in Canada was always Ford, GM, and then Dodge. 2019, the Ram has surpassed the GM, and it is closing in on the Ford F-150. This is Canada's favorite truck right now, and for good reason. One of the most beautiful trucks ever made, and the most beautiful truck on the market. I don't think anything really compares. So if you want a truck like this, if you want something custom to your unique style, the way you like to do things, come on down to Legacy Dodge, let us know what you want, and we will make it happen. Give us a call at 780-790-9000 to book your appointment today. Huge incentives, and we're also offering corporate rebates for almost every company in town here. So come on down, come and see myself or any of the amazing sales staff. We can't wait to help you out.